Hey everyone, Note here, back at you with a quick video here. We're going to go through what Bitcoin just did, why we think it's important, and why this bull run isn't over just yet. Stay tuned. We'll catch you on the charts. All right, we're on Bitcoin here. We did just print a weekly long signal last week here, confirming this week or this past candle close here. What I really want to look at here is the 2-week Stochastic RSI Cross that we just got. So we just crossed up. Now, typically these are confirmed when the K and D line cross above the 80 line here, like we got in October. This brought a massive move for Bitcoin. If you notice, we got an even deeper retrace here than we did here in September in terms of the momentum swinging down into the oversold territory. All right, much like we were back here during the bear market. We got mostly an oversold area here before we broke in December of 22. And if you look and check it out, in December of 22, when we got the confirmed cross, we can see that that actually was our market cycle bottom, and we went on a major run. And the previous time we had a 2-week cross was back here in October, or September rather. And you can also see here on the node squeeze indicator that we did just get a pretty big bounce here. And we are going to run to the top of the Bollinger. That is going to most likely produce a new all-time high here in the next coming weeks. So stay tuned. I think that we're going to make new all-time highs. I will say and give you guys a caveat for one thing. Even though we are pivoting here, we are going back into overbought territory here on the 2-week time frame. And we will, even with making new all-time highs on price, we will make bearish divergence at some point once we make that higher high. So that is something to pay attention to. Really what you want to be paying attention to is when this actually finishes its cross up and it starts to go and momentum starts to be driving the market, where we end up topping out, because that will probably be the top of the market or close to it, or maybe a local top or something. So that's kind of what we're looking for right now. And that's kind of what we're looking at. Now, aside from Bitcoin, we also want to identify other opportunities in other maybe altcoins that could be doing similar things that might be potentially worth your time to look at. I was looking at Orca. Orca is a Solana DEX. And as you guys can see, this asset's still technically in an overall downtrend. It hasn't broke its all-time high. Its all-time high was $21. We made a significant rally here from June to about $9 here in January. So pretty big rally off its lows there. And if we look at the 2-week stochastics, this actually is a little bit more further along than Bitcoin. Bitcoin is just crossing up. This actually is giving you, the signal is almost giving you the 2-week buy signal here. The last signal we got here was in June, and it wasn't at the bottom, but you can see the RSI was already trending up and went completely overbought and then just reset. So to me, this looks extremely bullish. Even our volatility indicator down here is letting you know that, hey, man, volatility's bottomed out. We just got to cross up. This asset's probably going to make a major move here with Solana going up. This to me looks like a major cup and handle pattern. I think really a lot of these Solana DEXs, even like Jupiter, I'm sure looks good. We can take a look at that. There's a lot of different assets that you guys can be looking at right now or trading right now. I think there's a lot of altcoins that are really set up on the chart. We don't even have 2-week data on Jupiter, but we got weekly data. Weekly crossed up gave you the signal. It looks pretty good here. You can see that the RSI is sitting at 65. A nice wedge break here or flag break here type of structure. And this is probably going to break its all-time high as well, with Solana making its move. Lots of different assets here that look good. Aerodrome is another one. Base about to make new all-time highs on TVL. I think that's something important to look at, guys, is TVL. That is where you can see the total value locked up on chain. And I think that that's important to look at when picking and choosing different assets to maybe trade or even invest in. Yeah, so that's basically the gist of the video here. I think it's really important to look at weekly, 2-week cross-ups and stochastic RSIs along with RSI, and maybe the shorter time frame if you want to get a good entry like off a 4-hour or daily time frame, and set yourself up for a nice swing trade. If you guys like the content, make sure you guys smash the like button up, tick the notification bell if you guys are new to the channel, and hit that like button. We'll catch you guys in the next video. Appreciate all you guys supporting, and I know I haven't been streaming very often here, but I will be trying to get back on that wagon. It's been a little tough personally here with new family members joining the family. So thank you guys again for your patience with me, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.